We'll see how long it
Probably
runs.
was. That's probably what.
No, it said because it was too hot.
Or did it say that before?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's got 2%. Let's see how far it goes.
2%. It might get to gorge.
It might.
And then we get it again in the morning. Big Thompson River. They call it the Big Thompson River Gorge. It's high water there every now and then,
Imagine it floods through there every once in a while.
too. Yeah, I saw a tree down there that caught quite a bit of debris coming down the canyon.
Yeah, I know.
That can't remember the name of it now, but that one we saw going across I-70 when we come back and then we turned around and went back.
Went
to
back,
Big
yeah.
Reminds me of that area. San Rafael Swell, they call it.
Do you believe we got it, dear?
We did, didn't we?
Yeah.
Because it hadn't shut off yet. So we'll get it going both ways. Cool.
Ooh, what?
Huh?
Thought you said ooh.
I said cool.
Oh. So, do I turn it off now?
Yeah.